Welcome guys in my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you on how to wire and test this air pressure switch. And I have a question from Sir Pelito. He's asking me on how to test this air pressure switch. So as you notice, we have a L here and we have an H here and we have a relay here. So this is the common, this is the normally closed and normally open, and we're going to test that. Just set your multimeter or ammeter to resistor reading. Okay, this is the common and the bottom part is the normally closed. There, my tester have a reading, and the common and the upper part is the normally open. There, the reading is OL. So Sir Pelito, ito yung tanong mo. Dapat dito common at saka ito yung OL, over limit. So 0 reading siya, at yung bottom naman is normally closed. Ngayon, pinapatest ko sa iyo, dapat alam mo lang to. So I have here a load for normally open, and our normally open is the upper part. There, normally open, and we have a normally closed here. We're going to put the load for the normally close at the bottom. There, and we need and this is our AC source here, normally open, load for the normally close. Okay, normally close, normally open, and we have the AC wire for the AC, and I'm going to plug the live wire here. So this is the wiring diagram. I will not going to provide wiring diagram for you guys, just watch. Okay, I'm going to take the two neutral here and connect to the AC neutral, and we're going to secure just a little bit. By the way, this pressure switch came from Frymaster, so I just changed it because it's dirty. An oil is, I've checked this inside and it has oil in the diaphragm, causing malfunction for the Frymaster. And the moment guys I'm going to turn this on, the normally close will spin, and this is normally closed and this is normally open. And later, once I'm going to put a pressure here, if I'm going to blow this a little bit, the normally closed will stop and the normally open will spin. And take a look. Yan, tingnan nyo guys, pag open ko ng switch, ito ang aandar, si normally closed, at hindi mo naandar to. There, umandar siya. Have you seen guys, it's spinning. But the moment I'm going to put a pressure here, since this is an air pressure switch, this normally closed will stop and the normally open will spin. Take a look. See? Now, binitawan ko, siya ulit umandar. kasi wala siyang pressure. So ganun lang sir pelito kung paano i-test ang pressure switch. So gano'n sinabi ko, ito ay galing sa Frymaster. At kung gusto nyo makita kung anong nasa loob nito, baklasin natin. I repeat, wala tayong wiring diagram ha, dahil ang dami nag-i-skip ng video. Hindi kayo matututo pag nag-i-skip kayo. Kaya tayo nag-tutorial para maturuan kayo, hindi para mag-skip. Kumbaga sa klase, hindi kayo pumapasok, present lang kayo pag exam na at nangungopia naman kayo. Okay, I'm gonna show you what is inside this air pressure switch. Repairable po ito ha, kaya pag technician kayo, dapat marunong kayo mag-repair para hindi kayo replacement technician. So, open natin. Yan, i-pry lang natin din eh. Huwag nyo ipasok ha. Yung diaphragm is going to be damaged. Do not insert. The diaphragm will damage. So we have a spring here. So this is the diaphragm. Okay, diaphragm, and the spring. Okay, the spring have adjustment here, the positive and the negative here, to increase like that, to decrease like this. It has a spring, and this is the diaphragm. Okay, once you blow, the diaphragm will engage. So ito lang nasa loob. Nung tinignan ko to is for me, meron siyang, it has an oil inside it because the Frymaster, it has oil on the bottom. See? So napupunit ito ha. Ayan. Ayan, oh. Have you seen it, guys? So if you want to clean this one, just clean it, because the Frymaster, it has an oil at the bottom. So this is how you're going to clean this one. Have you seen this? We have a damaged diaphragm now. A tear there. We have a tear diaphragm. So if you're going to clean this one, be careful. Okay. Then see, it's very dirty. Kick. Clean this as well. Okay, the cover. And to install back, put this here. Okay, dapat may tapat natin ito. Ito dito. There. Yeah. Then press down. See? And let's bring back the 4 screw.
Sorry, it's DJ.
Glue. Just put a little bit of glue there. And okay, once again, AC line at the common terminal. Load for the normally open. The upper part is the normally open, and load for the normally closed. let's check again. Let's plug in to the AC source. There. Power on. There. Once I'm going to put an air here, this one should be on and this one should be off. Okay, as easy as that. If you're new to my channel, guys, please support me by clicking the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be updated just in case I upload video. Thanks for watching until then. God bless. Kung bago sa aking channel, guys, pag-support po ako sa pamamagitan ng subscribe at pag-click na rin yung notification bell para updated ka just in case na meron tayong bagong upload na video. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Until next time, God bless.